Today, I am going to tell you how to reduce salt in Paneer Bhurji. In case we have 500 grams of Paneer Bhurji with excess salt to be repaired, we have to take a kadai, now place it on the gas stove, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil, add little bit of jeera, now add 100 grams of chopped onion to it. Start frying it well. Now, along with this, you can add little ginger and garlic grated, and then add rest of the masalas like chili powder, garam masala powder, amchur powder, etc. Whatever we are adding for the preparation of paneer bhurji. Now add the tomatoes, little bit of turmeric powder. Mix everything well. In case required, you can add little bit of sugar also. Take the original bhurji which is prepared with salt, and then add that to this gravy. Now slow on the fire, nicely cook it on slow fire by constant stirring, and garnish it with coriander leaves and then taste it. If the quantity of paneer bhurji prepared is less, then we can always add 1 or 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix it well, cook it on slow fire and taste it. If you don't like lemon juice, then you can always add 1 or 2 ladles of freshly beaten cream and half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix well and cook and then taste it.